Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. As a commercial landlord, you're probably familiar with the concept of a security deposit. A security deposit, or bond, is a sum of money paid by the tenant to secure their obligations under a lease. It's not mandatory to ask your tenant for a security deposit. However, it's advisable to request one for the sake of your own protection. If your tenant fails to pay rent or breaches the lease in some other way, then you can use the bond to cover any associated loss or damage. Should you draw on the bond at any time throughout the tenancy, you also have the right to ask the tenant to top up its original amount. Importantly, the dollar amount of a security deposit is not regulated by law. Instead, you should attempt to negotiate a fair figure with your tenant. Depending on the tenant's financial position, a bond may vary between the sum of 3 to 6 months' rent. You may be wondering where a security deposit is stored for commercial lease transactions. Unlike residential tenancies, there is no need to lodge the amount with a solicitor or bond authority. Instead, the security deposit must be held in an interest-bearing account. Under the lease terms, a tenant is entitled to the interest earned on the bond amount. However, the landlord can also use the interest as part of the deposit itself. There are alternatives if you do not wish to collect a security deposit. For instance, you might accept a bank guarantee. Bank guarantees require security in the form of cash or real estate, so they're a great option if your tenant is looking to free up some capital. If you'd like to learn more about taking a bond for your commercial premises, you can check out our article at the link below.